It says it's not the exit, so I wanted to go.
Yeah, let's go in the exit.
Come on, kid. Oh, okay.
Nice.
What do you mean disturbing images? Okay, come on, keep going. Oh, guys, there's a baby. Emergency exit.
Come on, go over here. It's the bathroom. Come over here. It's the bathroom.
Just slowly walks behind. Okay. Good thing is running back, so whatever happens to them first. Guys, someone was
Can
hanged.
you open that? Can you please open it?
No, you need to open it.
I don't wanna.
Let me guess, it's Daddy. I literally guessed that. So let me guess, it's Dad.
I already knew that just now.
I don't think you did a very good job.
I need you to go in there. You go in first. It has boobies!
Yeah, boobies on?
Let's go.
Yeah. What's that?
It's a morgue.
Oh, that's...
Why am I going ahead? I don't want to be the first one.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point.
What is that?
That's disgusting.
What is that?
He got a booty!
Okay, relax.
He got a guy!
This place is so gross.
I need you to...
Guys, there's no actor. Jump down and do the patio. Unless it's Dad. He went back to the front.
Oh, God.
No, you're right.
That one is up in here. Oh, and this one. This one also. What's that? What's that?
He's
Open
dying.
it, open it, open it. Open it. What is it?
It's a skeleton that comes up when it's up.
Oh, I want to see it come up.
I don't think it's on.
What did... I want to click it.
No.
Daddy clicked it.
Oh, stop clicking, stop clicking.
This is a door.
Don't click.
Okay. I didn't have expensive this stuff.
You know what this is reminding me of? The upside down.
What are you looking at?
Notice?
He got up there.
I hate SpongeBob.
Oh, is this something that you put in your hands? My heels almost touching me.
Scared Kyle. What's scared
Click
Kyle?
it, click it.
Is it a recording or a doll? Noises.
Ooh, nice. Why do you have to wait until the other person? Not that. How you doing, partner?
Oh, okay.
We're not leaving yet.
Bro, Kyle, I thought it was
Oh,
dumb.
yeah. We have to go.
How you doing? I'm good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm good.
Oh, you touched it.
How big is the Look, Kaya's at the front and she gets the most scared.
What is that? Why do you have to put so many things in here?
What the frick? Okay, man. Okay. I do not want to be stepping on that. Is this. No, Pete.
There's no
People can watch us.
I'm
Because it's a fun.
Okay.
Wait, with Saba.
I just think it's very good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
dog.
Kaya's smart this time. She's going with Daddy so that he doesn't scare her.
Open the door, I don't wanna. Open the
Oh no. What did y'all do?
Attention,
What did y'all do?
toxic emission leak in lab 2. All personnel report to decontamination
Very
station.
hard. Hand. Ah! I was like against the wall.
Grabbing some more. She just took back there.
Attention, emergency. Toxic emission leak in lab 2.
Okay, guys, I don't like this. Emergency exit only. Exit. Hey, isn't this where the cameras are at? Mom, don't touch it, please. That one's moving. I don't like it. Don't touch it. E.T. phone home. Don't move. Whatever. He's like 10 feet taller. Mommy, wait. Ew, was that a fake spider?
Yeah, I think it is.
Ew, I hate spiders.
Yeah, me too.
Please, no.
Look at that one.
No, ew. Daddy left us alone.
I know. Oh, what's that? I guess that was karma. That's why people say, you know, karma's a B word.
Did you guys get scared of the slimy teeth and stuff?
The most scared me we are were the spiders, okay?
But did that scare you? That didn't scare me out. No, that scares me. Hi, that one.
This head? Look! What was that? Oh my gosh, something hit my head.
It's a hand.
The head moves. Look, if you look closely,
It's not moving.
it moves. Look at it right there.
She's gonna scare you. She's gonna.
I think it's not moving anymore.
Mom's gonna go. Boom.
I was, but you ruined it.
Leah, you did it earlier. Mom.
Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh! I just bumped into something.
It can. I don't like it.
It's too dark. Which way am I supposed to go?
It moves.
That way?
I don't think.
Yes! Don't!
Wait, it's too dark.
Guys, I don't like this.
This is
You're on camera.
okay. This way. This way.
What the?
Ah! We did to a wall again.
Where are we going?
This way.
Ew. I'm just holding on to Mom because I can't see schnitzel right now.
Oh my gosh.
Mom, relax. I can't see anything.
What do you mean relax?
Relax. You're walking too fast. Oh.
Hold on to me.
What do you think I'm doing? This is how you know we would not survive in Stranger Things. too scared.
See?
I like being scared and also don't. So I'm a weird person, guys.
I think everybody has that mixed emotions about it.
Guys, is it the end?
I think it is.
Ooh, that's an ugly fella.
Leave it alone, Daddy.
Okay, that was fun.